Hi, this is Katara with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at your Business Pro account and how to add team members to your account. So here we are on our home page, and we're going to go here to Add Team Members. And here we can see we can manage our team. We see how many people are on our team, and team members we already have linked with our account. Now, when we want to add another person, we can go here to this drop down and choose what role they have. So we have notary, a pre-tagger, someone who can add the fields necessary for the notarization, and an admin. So here, let's add a notary. So let's just type in a random name. And after we've finished putting their email, we can press invite. And we want to look at these permissions for the invited team member. Can they invite a signer for a session? Let's say yes. Show invoice tab to user, and we can say no for this one, and then we can go ahead and send the invitation. So we can see where we've added this notary and their onboarding is pending. They'll receive an email telling them how they can join our account and be part of our Business Pro team. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.